Hai hai hai, welcome to my class. Okay, with me Mrs. Mariati. Okay ya, today I will explain about the revortex. What is revortex? Have you heard it? Apakah kamu pernah mendengar tentang revortex atau di dalam bahasa Indonesia namanya teks laporan? Ya, agar memahami materi ini dengan baik, kita akan mempelajari what is the revortex, what is the purpose, and what are generic structure, what are language feature, and example how to write of revortex. Okay, the first is I will explain about the definition of the revortex. Revortex is a text which present information about the something is a result of systematic observation and analysis. Revortex itu apa sih? Yaitu sebuah teks yang mempresentasikan sebuah sesuatu hasil dari observasi yang sistematik dan analisis ya, dan sebuah analisis. Kemudian, what is the purpose? Apa sih tujuan dari revortex? To inform about the content, the function of the participant of or organize and present information about the class of things in general. Yaitu untuk menginformasikan fungsi bagian-bagian secara pasti atau mempresentasikan informasi tentang sesuatu secara umum. Next ya. Selama ini kita tahu descriptive text. Nah, di sini ada hampir sama ya descriptive text dengan revortex. So, what is differences about the revortex and descriptive text? Apa sih perbedaan dari revortex dan descriptive text itu? Now, number one, revortex yaitu describe something in general. Example, cat, rose, on mobile phone. Kemudian descriptive text yaitu describe something and specific, mendeskripsikan sesuatu secara khusus. Contoh, example, my cat, my rose, my phone. Number two, use scientific name. Revortex itu menggunakan nama-nama saintifik, nama-nama ilmiah. Example, cat is also called Felis catus. Misal number 2, untuk descriptive text tidak menggunakan scientific name. Example, my cat is called Mumu. Next, number 3, need observation to write. Untuk revortex itu membutuhkan sebuah observasi atau analisis untuk menulisnya. Example, cat is for the carnivores, mammals ya. Next, number 3, kalau untuk descriptive text use personal opinion, yaitu menggunakan pendapat sendiri. Misalkan, my cat has cute color in his leg. Next, okay, the general classification and the generic structure of the revortex. The generic structure of the revortex, number 1 is general classification is usually contain the statement describe the subject of the report, yaitu biasanya ada sebuah pernyataan untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu yang akan dilaporkan. Kemudian ada description, itu describe the thing which will be described. Detail is the part, quality, habit, or behavior. Yaitu sebuah yaitu description itu akan mendeskripsikan atau menjelaskan sesuatu untuk didiskusikan secara lebih detail lagi ya, seperti kualitasnya, bagian-bagiannya ya, terus habit itu kebiasaan atau kelakuannya. Next, okay, the language feature of the revortex ya, penggunaan tata bahasa untuk revortex. Number 1 is general nouns. Example, dog, cat, bank, school. Kemudian use present tense. Yang kita tahu present tense itu menggunakan kata kerja pertama atau verb 1. Next, untuk use relative verb. Example, is, am, or are ya, atau is, am, are. Kalau disingkat itu Aramis, atau kalau kata orang Sunda ya. Next, okay, example, the right of the revortex. Okay, the title is a means of the eco-friendly transportation. This is in the introduction. Okay, a bicycle is the wild vehicle that is powered by human effort to pedaling. It is one of the most popular means of transportation worldwide to do it affordably, efficiently, and environmental benefit. Kemudian next, description-nya ya, description-nya ya yang kita tahu dari generic structure-nya itu ada introduction and description. Next, description of the bicycle ya. Bicycle is come various types including road bike, mountain bike, hybrid bike, and electric bicycle. A standard bicycle consists of several main components such as the frame, wheel, headboard, pedals, brake, and chain system. And the rider prefers the bicycle powered by pedaling, which move chain that turns the rear wheel. Next, function of the benefit of the bicycle. Bicycles are widely used for transportation, sport, recreation, the favorite and efficiently way to travel short to medium distance, especially in urban areas where the traffic congestion is common. Cycling is also beneficial for health as it improves cardiovascular fitness and muscle strength. Additionally, bicycles are eco-friendly since they do not produce harmful emissions, making them suitable and alternative to motor vehicle. Conclusionnya, bicycles are essential mode transport that offer numerous advantages. I think enough to report text. Thank you. See you to next video. Bye bye.